Okay, if you have your account numbers turned on these columns when you are dragging them down, you're going to get an option for incremental fill. So let me show you what I mean by that. Or in my accounting, I do not have the account numbers turned on, so when we exported this file, there are no account numbers here. But if I had them, say under this one, we had account number 123, and so here it is changed in this cell, and if I drag that down, it's going to give you the option of filling that in. It thinks that I would probably want that numbered like that, but in accounting you probably wouldn't want your account numbers changing like that, so that doesn't help us here. But you see this little box? If you just click that little drop down, you'll see that you have some options, and one of them is just copy cells. If you do that, it will change those all to 123. If you were the opposite, needing, you're doing something else, maybe it's not account numbers, but you do want to incrementally go down or fill the series. If you fill the series, that means it's going to change those. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's your fix on using this. If you don't have account numbers set up, it won't be an issue for you.